Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education Commerce Theory part for the first year's English medium, and the chapter that we are dealing with, that is the partnership form. This is the third session of the topic, and in this session we are going to study about the types of partners, how many types of partners are there and how they behave in the partnership form. Okay, let us know one by one what are the types of partners are there and how they behave. See, on the basis of extent to participation, based on the participation means based on the involvement. Okay, based on the participation, the partners are classified into two categories. One is active or working partner. You can say it as active partner or working partner. Next one is sleeping partner. Now see, what is the difference between these active or working partner and sleeping partner? See, the partner who actively participate, okay, the partner who is actively participate in day-to-day operations. Day-to-day operations means day-to-day activities. The partner who is participating in day-to-day activities, okay, of the business. Which business? In the partnership business, who is actively participating in day-to-day operations, in day-to-day activities, that partner is known as active partners or working partners. Means what kind of their activities they will perform, ma'am? Means they manage the business, they organize the requirement of the business such as capital, labor, workers, okay, and advisors, and also they control certain business related operations also, activities, business related activities. Next, sleeping partner. Sleeping, just sleep. The partner who does not participate, he is not participating, who does not participates in the day-to-day activities of the business. Not participating, just how we sleep, like that only he is sleeping. That partner is known as sleeping partner or dormant partner. Such partner contribute the capital, but he contribute the capital, share profit and losses, but does not participate in day-to-day activities. That partner is known as sleeping partner or dormant partner. The partner who participate in day-to-day activities known as active partner or working partner. In the next one, sleeping partner means the partner who does not participate in day-to-day activities of the business known as sleeping partner. He will contribute the capital and he will share the profit. He or she both can participate. Okay, he or she can gain the profit or loss and also contribute to the capital. This is about the existence of participation. Based on the participation, the partners are classified into two categories. Now, based on sharing of profit, again the partners are classified into two types. One is nominal partner, another one is partner in profit. The partner allow the firm to use his name. The partner is allowing the firm. Allowing the firm means giving permission to the firm to use his name as a partner. Okay, to use his name as a partner. For example, X is a person. Okay, and he is not actually a partner. For example, I am not the partner of any firm. Yes, I am just a lecturer, but I given permission to one firm, one partnership firm, take my name and use my name as a your partner. నా పేరు మీరు యూస్ చేసుకోండి. ఎలా? నేను మీ బిజినెస్లో పార్ట్నర్ లెక్క మీరు చూపించుకోండి అని నేను పర్మిషన్ ఇస్తున్నా. దట్ ఈస్ ద నామినల్ పార్ట్నర్. ఓకే, he share neither he or she neither bring capital, participate in activities, not share profit and loss. Okay, they will not bring any capital, they will not participate in any activities, and they does not share any profit or loss. They just give their name to the firm to use it. They will use that partner name only. Okay, Next, partner in profit. See, a person who share profits without being liable for losses. Okay, they are sharing the profits without being liable for losses. Being liable for losses means he is not going to bear any loss. He will share only and only profit. He is not going to be liable. అతను లాస్ వస్తే బేర్ చేసేటోడు కాదు. బేర్ మీన్స్ హీ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు పే ఫర్ ద లాసెస్. హీ ఓన్లీ టేక్ ద ప్రాఫిట్. known as a partner in profits. Thus partner is known as partner in profits. This is applicable only to minor. Okay, this is applicable only to the minor. Actually, according to the partnership, the minor can't start the partnership form, but according to the benefit of the partnership form, the minor can be admitted, means the minor can be taken into partnership as a partner, and he is given profit regularly, and the liability is limited to their capital contributed. Whatever the capital the minor bring, up to that only the minor will pay to the loss. Okay, if he bringing 50,000 rupees, if there is a loss of 1 lakh rupees, then the minor will pay only 50,000 rupees, whatever the capital he brought. Okay, he is not going to pay from his personal property the remaining 50,000 debt. Okay, he does not use his personal property. So such type of partnership is, or such type of partner is known as partner in profit. Next, based on the liability, liability means we know debt based on the liability. Limited partner, limited means the liability of the partner is limited to their capital contribution. This is possible only to the minor. This facility is only given to the minor. So the liability of the partner is limited to the capital contributed. The Limited Liability Partnership Act 2005. So what is the act? That is Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Okay, 2008. Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 was enacted in India. It was enacted means it is started in India, notified on 31st March 2009. From that it was started. Next, general partner having unlimited liability. Unlimited liability means if the debt is 1 lakh rupees, he brought only 50,000 capital, means he contributed only 50,000 capital. Then in case of general partner, 50,000 will be his, what is that? The capital which he brought, and the remaining 50,000 will be taken from his personal property, personal property, whatever his personal property is there. Now from that he have to claim the remaining 50,000. So that type of liability is unlimited liability. There is no limit at all, infinite, simply infinite liability, infinite. Okay, there is no limit at all. Next, based on the behavior and conduct exhibit. Okay, behavior, based on the behavior and the conduct, we are dividing the partners into two types. One is partner by estophel and one is partner by holding out. What is C? A person who behave in the public, he act in the public, overaction. Simply we can say that he will do overacting in the public, that such a way, and give an impression that he or she is a partner of the firm. You overaction or overacting in the public that he is the partner of that firm. He show that type of actions, expressions. He behave like that in the public. Okay, but actually he or she don't share the profit of the firm. They don't share any kind of profit of the firm. They are not actually at all a partner. Okay, but he is fully liable. Liable means what? if there is any incident happened due to his overaction, okay, if somebody suffer, okay, what I am saying here, if somebody is suffering because of his or her false representation, just like he is showing that if you use this cream, you will become just like Kajal Agarwal or Shruti Hassan, like that you will become very fairness is very high, and also you look very beautiful. Most of the girls are purchased it and they have kept. Suddenly they have become too much black like Negros. So, and then they are suffering from this false representation. What the representation he given in the public, that I am the partner of this firm. This is a most famous cream. If you use this, you know this cream is using by the most of the Bollywood and Hollywood heroines. So you also have to use it. You will also become like that. Yes, they will give that type of advertisement, and if the people purchase, they will suffer a lot. So by that he will be liable for the whatever the people suffer. Okay, next, partner by holding. Actually he is not a partner, he is doing overaction in the public, that's it. Partner by holding out. What is this? A partner declare particular a firm declare particular person is a partner of their firm, and such a person does not disclaim it. For example, this is a duster. For example, this is duster is one partner. I am a firm, means I am a business partnership firm. So I declared for example, this duster name is X. I will declare this X as a partner, and this X is also ready to take the name as a partner of particular my company. Okay, so he is also ready to become the partner of my company, and he is also silent, yes, I am the partner. Then he or she is known as a partner by holding out. They are holding. They are not actually the partner, but the firm declared them as a particular person as a partner, and that person is also silent. Okay, whatever the firm doing, let them do. So that type of partner is known as holding out partner. Such partner not share profit but fully liable for the firm debt. Okay, that partner is not sharing the profit because he is not actually the partner, okay, but fully liable for the firm debt. If there is any debts in the firm, he will be liable. So this is about the types of partners. In the next session, we will meet with the new topic, that is advantages and disadvantages of partnership firm. Okay, right.